What's going on?
Ah, there is a big rat outside.
Oh, I'm recording it. With this level button, we can go to the standard setting of 30, the lowest, to 130, the highest decibels, or say we want to not record all of it. We want to record the lowest minimum sound, 30 to 80, medium sound, 50 to 100, upper sound, 80 to 130, and back to normal, 30 to 130. There's a button here, AC. dBA is for human voices. Change it, dBc for industrial sounds. We have a maximum button that only records loud noises until it gets the loudest max sound. The min button is for minimum sounds very low. So you want to not make a lot of noise, but observe. Record button, we can record real time right now, and then it's going into the data logger with date, time stamp, and so we can record all the noises immediately. Okay, the data saved after we record. We open up the USB port. The software is already loaded. Plug in the USB cable. Push setup. Then we want to retrieve our information. Go to data logger, loading, and there's all of our information here. We pick our last one, double click, there it is right there. Real-time recording, we're still plugged up to the computer. We can hit run and we start graphing on our computer. From here we can also go to graph or data list, and being recorded right now. The 322A comes in a nice case, so we're going to put it up now. We turned it off. We've got our reports all printed out, and we're going to get our USB cable and put everything back in the box and call it a day.